Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reclaim your land if you have tall grass. Now we can mow this stuff. I'll take a tape measure really quick, show you guys how tall this is. So let's see. So, we're about, on the top of these are about 5'4". This heavy stuff is probably over 4 feet tall. So what you want to do is make sure you want to walk it, so you don't want to run over any wood or down branches or dead animals. It'd suck if you're chopped up a raccoon or something. That'd be pretty bad for your mower. Basically you want to walk it, see if there's anything that your mower's going to hit. There's a nice mound there. That'll be pretty easy to mow. And then this way you can reclaim it and make a nice path. That's why I want a path back here to my rear land. And then I can maybe make a go-kart track or something back here. So then it kind of dies down here. You can see there's stumps. That should be fine. You don't want to hit this stuff. That won't be good for your mower. Now I had a widowmaker here that I cut down. So I'll move that. So basically just walk this back here and see what we have. Get the frogs and stuff out of here. Way back here. I'll probably just mow a big area right here. Then way back here's my land some more. Little creek here. Should be pretty fine. I think I'll probably stop here and then I'll walk that back property after I get back here. I'm going to be using this wheel horse 520H as an Onan engine, 40 8-inch deck. we go. Let's see what this looks like. So you can see how low it cuts, but miss some tree trunks, tree roots. But after several mowings, and this should go growing pretty good. Should level off too. My blades should be fine. I'll see, but blades are cheap. They're only like 17 bucks for 3 of them. So they're pretty damn cheap. So as long as you reclaim this wood, this back path, so you can get a nice path back to your back land, or if you got tall weeds, overgrowth, you can cut it down with your mower if you go slow. Here I'm gonna have to do a little bit more of grading right here, but turned out pretty good, pretty quick. No need for a weed whipper, just go slow with your tractor, should be fine. I'll work on this and get back to that back property later on, but there you go, guys. So it may look like a disaster, but you can reclaim it pretty easy. We got wetlands over here that we just deal with, so can't do anything with that. Guys, yeah, so your city folk that don't get the chance to mow or don't get a chance to see this, this is what country folks have to deal with. Here's old dog come up here, up the path now. Now you can come and chase a deer and muskrats and woodchucks back here. He got in a tussle with a woodchuck, so he's kind of limpy right now. But okay guys, thanks for watching.